Hi, it's me, Custom Cruisers. Beautiful bit of kit here. The old, my written off PC800. Got hit by Mondeo on the side and it's a write-off. Now, it's in the workshop ready to be stripped, but obviously we ain't got a lot of room in here. So, what we're using this hoist, you know, engine hoist, to lift it and position it, okay? We're going to leave it on the side stand. And we're going to put one of these proper, not Chinese, this is a proper lift from America, okay? So that's going to go under here. And then when we drop him down, okay, that should, the theory's there anyway, that should sit here and not come off the stand. Well, this is the idea. Okay, so you can see here the stands underneath. We're pretty well ready. Okay.